Hello everybody, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and I'm here to share a tip to get even banner ends every time you try to trim your cardstock or pattern paper. Do you get frustrated with crooked banner ends like this when you try to trim a banner end? I find that when I come in from the corners to make a banner end, I'm crooked almost all the time. And it's because that first cut tends to overestimate the center point of the end of your cardstock. So in an effort to correct this, take the tip of your scissors and cut a small snip in the center of your end. Then come in from the corners and trim to the top of that snip. This will allow you to estimate the corner of your point perfectly every time so that you have a nice banner tip on the first try. Now, if you find that you're not able to eyeball the center point, it's okay to take a ruler and measure your end and then put a small dot with a pen or pencil before you make your snip so that you have the center exactly where it needs to be. I hope you find this tip helpful and you use it next time you create a project to get perfect banner ends on all your cardstock and patterned paper pieces.